Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Roblox Studio on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and open any of the browser you have because this doesn't work on the application. So you gotta simply search for roblox.com, simply type that down, press enter, and then you gotta click on continue in browser. Once you do so, you gotta simply log into your account and then click on create at the top. And here you'll be redirected to create.roblox.com. So you gotta click on this option over here. And then you're gonna click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. And then you can click on request desktop website. And you'll be able to see the phone version get changed to the desktop version right in front of you. So you're gonna click on start creating. And then it says checking for Roblox Studio. And now it says download Studio. Simply click on that. And now it says, do you want to download the Roblox Studio installer.exe on createroblox.com? Click on download and you'll be able to see the download process begin. So just wait for it to get completed. Once it's downloaded, you wouldn't really be able to use all of the features that you do on desktop, but at least you can view all of your experiences and just see all the statistics of that. And that is basically how you can download Roblox Studio on your phone.